Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another special walk around for you. It is on this 2022 Ford Maverick. This is the Lariat. This is the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and this has all-wheel drive. And if you've been in the market for a new Maverick, you know how impossible it is to get one of these. So I'm very happy that our Ford store had one come in that I could shoot a video on. So let's get this video started right now and do a quick walk around video on this Ford Maverick. All right, so starting out here on the front of the vehicle. So for the Ford Maverick, all new here. New design on the this pickup truck here. So you have LED headlights here. You also have your turn signals right in the middle there. The grille leads all the way across to the middle here where the Ford logo is. You also see down here you have a little box that has ACC on it. That's for your radar adaptive cruise control there. That this vehicle does have with this package that it has on the Lariat trim level. And this is the nice blue color, Velocity Blue Metallic. Very nice color here on this Maverick. Down to the bottom there, you'll see you have some black plastic cladding with some awesome air vents there down in the bottom to give some cooling to that nice 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine there. Hood is nice, big, and broad. And then coming around the side here, you do have these cool designed black wheels here with silver spokes. These are 18-inch wheels that are wrapped in 225/60 R18 wheels or tires. You'll see you have body-colored moldings around the wheel wells there. You also have Lariat spelled out right there on the panel. You have your body-colored mirror there right on the door, and this also is that Super Crew model. So you have full 4 doors here on this Maverick. That is the only way that you can actually get the Maverick is with the full 4 doors, which is very nice. Coming on to the back here, you have your bed here on the back side, and same design wheel here on the back as well. Black plastic cladding on the back there. And then you'll have on the back side here, you'll have your brake lights, you'll have your turn signals here. You also have all-wheel drive spelled out here. Backup camera right there in the Ford logo with Maverick spelled out on the back there. You'll also have your tow hitch down here at the bottom, which is nice. And then you'll have your license plate bracket down there as well. On the back here, you also do have some sensors here on the back. So when you're getting close to something, it'll beep at you to let you know that you're getting close to something. And let's pull this trunk down so we can see inside the bed here. All right, so coming to the bed here, you'll see you have this spray-in bed liner, which is nice. Leads all the way through this 4.5-foot bed here. In this bed, it's not the biggest truck bed in the world there, but it does have plenty of space back here if you guys want to do maybe some trash loads, some cargo carry, that kind of stuff there. You also have these little cleats over here that you can actually tie things down to. And overall there's just tie down spots here, a nice Ford logo in there as well. And like I said, this is a nice little truck bed to where you can carry some stuff in there. If you get longer things, you can put the bed down, or the tailgate down, and get a little cargo cover, cargo area extender right there as well if you'd like. But overall, just nice bed, and does the job. Let's go underneath the engine here. All right, so underneath this hood on this Lariat trim level, this is the optional 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine that is made up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. You get 25 miles of combined MPG in this engine here, and this overall, the optional 2.0 liter EcoBoost engine gives you more power and gives you the ability to tow a little bit more. But if you're looking for a fuel efficient truck, there is the standard 4-cylinder hybrid engine that is in this Maverick, and that vehicle will then give you extremely good fuel economy, especially in a pickup truck. But you can only get that in front-wheel drive. If you want all-wheel drive, you have to go with this 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. Underneath here, you do have the battery compartments over here. You do have that 4-cylinder engine right in the middle there. You also have your dipstick and cap there for some of your oil, and just overall very nice to actually work on the vehicle. They give you plenty of space in there to do that. Let's go over to the middle row now. Let's go to the back seat here. So you're gonna see body colored door handle here. Let's pop this open, and real quick before we look at some of the stuff here, I did want to look at the window sticker. It's actually already taken out of this one. Because this one's supposed to be going out sold. So let's look at the window sticker real quick here on this. MSRP on this 2.0 liter EcoBoost option is $37,535. You'll see your combined fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon. And just overall, you can stop the video now and look at some of the specs on this vehicle here. Velocity Blue Metallic with the desert brown interior trim. And then you'll see you know, all your specs right there. You can stop, like I said, at any time and take a look at it there. So let's come over to the door panel here. So nice kind of bluish tint here on this gray you color on the back side here, but just overall pretty cool design. Black door handle here. You have your power windows. Pretty cool little bronze color there on the door handle itself. And then down at the bottom you have some cup holders, some storage there, and it actually has a little bottle right there, so you know that's a bottle holder down there. Coming over to the actual interior here, so you have this brown leatherette trim here on this vehicle. You also here in the center console have a nice little cup holder there as well. It's nicely softly padded. Coming down to the middle console, you have a USB-C charger, USB-A, and a 120 volt household power outlet. Pretty cool there. Little storage nook down there as well. And then on the bottom down here, you actually do have all-weather mats on this trim level. And you actually do, I'm pretty sure these seats do fold up. Let me see if I can get these seats up. And I think you just pull the strap here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, I can. Look. Nope, cannot. So I need to release the video, and let me pop these open real quick. All right, take two. So now they're popped up, but you have this little storage areas down here that you can put some stuff in, and the seat will then fold right down so you can hide some stuff right inside the vehicle. And all you did was just pull that strap right there and push it up. I just need to release the strap, which I didn't do, which is fantastic, right? So that's the back space there. Plenty of leg room back here in the back for some adults. But if you have some super tall folks, you may want to go up a little bit on the Ford's pickup truck line up there. Let's go up to the front seats now. All right, front seat time. So you'll see that the Ford gives you this little key code here, or keypad, that you can actually put your keys inside there, lock the doors, and you can go and without your keys and everything, go to the beach or wherever you want to go, and then get inside the vehicle without having to have a key. So pretty cool. Over here on the door panel, you have this grayish blue slate color. Pretty nice. Bronze color here on this portion down here. You have your power windows, power lock options down there, power mirrors, everything right there. And then coming on down, you do have that storage area with, again, the bottle holder, which is pretty cool. Little cool design there. Also found another cool design here right on the panel leading to the dash here. You have a little Built Ford Tough logo right there as well. Pretty cool. Coming on over, you have power seats here on this Lariat trim level. There are these brown color there. These are heated as well. Very nice. Over to the left of the steering wheel, you do have your headlight options here for automatic headlights. You also have your interior dimming lights, and then you have the little cargo area light right there. You also have a bronze outlined vent right there next to your face, and then you have that leather wrapped steering wheel as well. Let's jump on the inside and actually take a look at some of these screens. All right, quick view outside the front of this Ford Maverick. You'll see that nice big broad hood. Good visibility outside the front there. Above my head here in this Lariat trim level, you do have this very nice sunroof that is manual shade. And then you have the power opening right there as well, with the interior dimming lights right above your head. Coming on down, you have a little sensor area here for some of your safety sensors. And then you also have this manually adjusting rear view mirror. Let's come on down. Let's actually turn this car on. So key is in my pocket. And coming on down, you just press the start button down here. So now it's all on. It's going to turn on and everything. The screen's going to light up for me. Let's straighten up the steering wheel here as well. So you'll see that you have your Sync 3 system here. This vehicle is riding on the chassis from the Ford Escape. So some of the technology is very similar to that Ford Escape. You have the Sync 3 touchscreen here that you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Very nice. You do have this little storage nook in here. Pretty interesting spot to have a storage nook, but hey, it's there. You do have your volume controls, tuning knob, hazard lights all right there as well. Two nicely placed air vents right down there with your dual zone climate control options right here. So once you adjust them, they actually show up right there on the screen. Very nice. Coming on down a little further, you do have your 3-zone heated seat options here for the front 2 passengers. Plus you have your heated steering wheel option, which is right there. Coming down a little bit further, you have your nice blue backlit USB-A, USB-C, or USB-A, USB-C ports. You also do have your shade here on the back. Let me turn you around and I'll show you that. And you'll see that you open up that window back there, a little window on the back side. Pretty cool. Coming down a little further, you have a wireless phone charger here, a little storage nook down there that's in the brown interior color. A little bit further down, you have your shifter here, 2 cup holders, power parking brake, and then you have some of your controls here. So this button right here turns the traction control off and on, and then you have your different zones here, or different drive modes. I'm actually on the vehicle. Let's go over here to the screen. I don't mean to keep taking you guys around everywhere, but you have tow haul, slippery, eco, sport, and normal there, and you can siphon through all of those, which is pretty cool. Nice little designs that show up on the screen there. Coming back down a little bit further, you have your auto stop start off button, and then you have this on and off button here that I'm not 100% sure what it does just yet there. So let me know in the comment section below if you know what that does on the vehicle there. A little cup holder down there where you can put some change, stuff like that. A little storage nook down here as well, and then nice softly padded armrest here, and then a little storage area down inside there as well. So very nice. Coming on over to the steering wheel here, leather wrap steering wheel here that is again heated here on this option. On the right side you have your controls for that center screen in the middle there. You can go through a different multitude of different things there. You have hang up phone options there, plus your voice control. And then on the left side you have that adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and then volume controls there as well. So very nice placement there on the screen, or on the steering wheel. Coming over to this screen, you do have the options here to go through different things here on the vehicle. So you have fuel economy, you can set your phone up here, and you have the settings and all that stuff there right in the center console, or center screen there. And then you have your speedometer, tachometer, and then your fuel gauge, and then hot cold gauges down there as well. So overall, very comfortable truck there. For the price point here, you can't beat how comfortable this truck is, and how much it actually gives you inside here, guys. So let's jump out and let's finish this video up. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching this quick walk around video on this 2022 Ford Maverick. So real quick, I want to give you some specifications here on this vehicle. So with this 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is optional, you can tow up to 4,000 pounds of towing there on the back there. If you get the standard hybrid engine there, you can actually get up to 42 miles per gallon in the city there, which is absolutely insane. So this truck right here gives you the option of getting a decent chunk of towing, or you can go with that hybrid that is standard on every Maverick. This engine is actually the optional engine, but if you go with that hybrid, you do get up to 42 miles a gallon in the city. So, you know, like I said, this truck, you do have the option for almost everybody. If you want towing capacity, go with this 2.0. If you want great fuel economy, there is that hybrid option, or the hybrid that's actually standard on all the Mavericks there, which is extremely, extremely nice, guys. So if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it. And if you would, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. It would help me out so, so much. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.